Good day. Welcome back to our lesson. This is the human genetic disorders and inheritance of traits, part 2. My name is Ray Valencia. The human genetic disorders objective is to identify the common genetic disorders. Many human diseases involve a genetic component. Genetic disorders may or may not be heritable. Some genetic disorders inherit through genes or chromosomes. Others are caused by mutations in the gene of the DNA and by the changes in the overall structure or number of chromosomes. Mutation is a natural process that changes a DNA sequence. Some of the common genetic disorders are mentioned in the following lessons. Genetic disorders. This is the normal human chromosomes. While in Down syndrome chromosomes are DS, this is the chromosomes. Down syndrome chromosomes occurs when an individual has a full or partial extra copy of chromosomes 21. With an extra copy of the chromosomes in 21st pair, the person with Down syndrome has 47 chromosomes, not 46 as usual. Most cases of Down syndrome are not inherited, but occur as random events during the formation of reproductive cells, eggs, and sperms. An error in cell division called non-disjunction results in reproductive cells with an abnormal number of chromosomes. It affects 1 in 800 to 1 in 1,000 live-born infants. Down syndrome chromosomes have learning difficulties, mental retardation, characteristic facial appearance, and poor muscle tone or hypotonia in infancy. People with Down syndrome also have an increased risk for having heart defects, digestive problems or celiac disease, and hearing loss. Also, this is one of the genetic disorders, cystic fibrosis or CF. It is the most common fatal disease or fatal genetic disease. It is inherited disease characterized by the buildup of thick, sticky mucus that can damage many of the body's organs. The most common signs and symptoms of this disorder include progressive damage to the respiratory system and chronic digestive system problems. Next is hemophilia. It's a rare bleeding disorder in which the blood does not clot normally. It is usually inherited. Occurs in about 1 in 5,000 males. People born with hemophilia have little or no clotting factor. Clotting factor is the protein needed for normal blood to clot, where these proteins work with platelets to help the blood clot. Platelets are small blood cells which are formed in a sponge-like tissue inside the bones called bone marrow.